CIS scholars. Welcome back. Today we are going to start lesson number 8, measurement. We will continue with the same chapter. So let's start. In the last session, we have completed measurement in length. Today we will start with the new topic, measurement of mass or weight. So let's start. Can you tell which of the vegetables is lightest and can be lifted easily? You can see pumpkin, you can see lemon and cabbage. But which is the lightest and can be lifted easily? Lemon, right? So the lemon is the lightest and can be lifted easily. Now let's move to the next slide. This is a pumpkin and green chilies, right? Students, when we buy things, we buy in different quantities. We don't buy all the things in the same quantity. For example, when you are buying a pumpkin, you can buy a heavy one. But we don't need all the things in the same quantity. Like when buying chili, we buy it in a small quantity, right? The base standard unit for measurement of weight is grams. We use grams and kilograms to measure mass or weight of things. Gram is a smaller unit of weight. Gram is written as G. Kilogram is a bigger unit of weight and kilogram is written as kg. There are 1000 grams in a kilogram, right? Now, when we are measuring smaller weight, we measure in gram. But when we are measuring larger weight, then we measure in kilogram. Now let's move to the next slide. These are known as metal weight. These are known as metal weight. Here it is 500 gram, 100 gram, 1 kg. There are 750 grams, 200 grams, 250 grams. So you can find such metal weight. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay. Some vendors, like the one selling vegetables, use a common balance and different metallic weight. They keep the things that we wish to buy on one side and the required quantity of weight on the other side to balance them equally. If you look here, on one side there are potatoes and on the other side it's a metallic weight, right? So if I wish to buy 2 kg of potatoes, he will keep here 2 kg of metallic weight, right? So like this he measure it. Unless and until the balance become equal, he will do the measurement. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay. There are different types of balance to measure weight. If you look here, it's a electronic weighing machine. For example, if you go to a sweet shop, you may see different type of balance to weigh a sweet, right? So this one is an electronic weighing balance. So here the shopkeeper will keep the thing on the top and you can see the weight on a small screen. Here the weight will be seen over here. So nowadays we use electronic weighing machine. You can find many places this electronic weighing machine. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, by looking at this slide, you can see one is rice. It's a bag of a rice, and this one is pulses, right? Now, we don't buy pulses as much as a rice or sugar or wheat flour we buy. So when we buy different things in different quantities, right? So here, when we are looking at this slide, we must buy things according to our need. So here, if it is 5 kg or we buy 10 kg of rice, so we buy 4 to 3 kgs of pulses. We don't buy the same quantity for all the things. Right, students? You can find it at your home also. The rice quantity will be more than the pulses. Now let's move to the next slide. So different types of balance to measure weight. If you look at the slide, there are different types of balance to measure weight. These are some balance to measure weight. What unit of measurement will you use to weigh these objects? Remember, gram is used for smaller weight and kilogram is used for measuring larger weights. So let us look here. These are known as stump stack and they are very light in weight. So it is gram. A bag of potato, right? So there are so many potatoes and it has larger weight. So it will be kilogram. One apple and it is in gram. Paper clip. It's very light in weight. So it is gram. Television or you can say TV, it's a kilogram. So students, here we have completed measurement of mass or weight. So that's all for today. Thank you.